I'm Vijay from PySpiders Rajajinagar. Here we have a place candidate called as Karunya. So Karunya, can you share your experience in PySpiders?
My name is Karunya Prakash. I completed my engineering in electronics and communication from Acharya Institute of Technology, and I joined PySpiders in the month of June. And so I recently got placed, and the experience here was amazing. I got to learn a lot from the trainers. I was trained by Vijay sir, who taught me Python and made sure we understood all the concepts. Although I was an ECE student, I was able to get the logical part very well. And so I was trained by Alexa for Django, and he made sure he gave us hands-on project experience where I got to learn a lot. And DSA was taken by Keshav sir, and he also taught all the concepts very well. So Lakshmi sir, who always motivated us and helped us in all throughout the journey. So overall, an amazing experience, and I would highly recommend this place. Thank you.
See here, and along with this, what type of activities you do here? So what made you to get placed, or what made you improve your confidence or something?
So we had a lot of mocks where we were continuously monitored, and there we got to learn a lot. And apart from that, we continuously did our boot camps where my communication and presentation skills increased a lot, and because of which I got more confident in the subject. And
Very good. Congrats, Karunya, and all the best for you.
Thank you so much.